Welcome to lesson number 2, system 2. So today we're going to talk about how to optimize your social media, your online presence, your social media platform, your Instagram, your TikTok, YouTube, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, whatever you're using to market yourself. Today, one of the fastest way of losing a client is having a weak online presence. And you should know that today's luxury clients, they research real estate agents online before reaching out to you personally. They can do that in seconds. They decide if they look for a premium agent or they decide they want to look for an average agent. So today we're going to optimize your social media. Why? Because luxury clients, they expect professionalism everywhere online whenever they look for you. They're going to evaluate your biography, they're going to evaluate your photos, your captions, your branding, your consistency, your communication style. Your social media becomes part of your luxury presentation. And some of the common mistakes that real estate agents, so here are some common mistakes that real estate agents make online. Many agents, they unintentionally, they don't do this with intention. They weaken their image by using low quality photos and pictures, having unclear biography, and they sound too pushy, too desperate, and they post inconsistent content in their social media. And why is that not a good thing? Because real estate high-end buyers and luxury buyers and sellers, they look for a profile that is clean, elegant, professional, and organized. The agent needs to present themselves calm, confident, with a clear message, and their position is feels like they are a leader in whatever they're doing. And AI is going to help you to optimize all your profiles. And that's why it's important to understand that optimizing your social media channels and profiles is going to be part of clients coming to you instead of you looking for clients. So AI is going to help you to rewrite your biography in a professional way. It's going to help you to create luxury captions. It's going to help you to improve your positioning, your authority position. And it's going to help you to build more online momentum. So go ahead and open your ChatGPT or any other AI that you're using. By the way, I'm going to put it on the video so you can copy and paste. And you're going to go and ask ChatGPT or AI, any other AI, analyze my real estate social media profile and help me optimize for a luxury real estate client. So help me to improve my Instagram biography, help me to improve my Facebook page profile positioning, help me to improve my profile messaging, my authority positioning, and my luxury brand image. I want you to, I want you to make my profile sounds premium, modern, professional, and attractive to affluent buyers and sellers. So use this feedback and use it in a very careful way and begin upgrading your online image immediately, today. Ask AI so you can update all your profile in all your social media immediately. I'm talking about today. That's going to be your homework. And remember, your luxury branding should feel consistent across all platforms. Your biography, your photos, your color, your messaging, your content, your tone should all communicate the same premium identity. Because consistency is going to build trust. And trust attracts luxury clients. Luxury agents understand something powerful. Your online presence is often your first luxury listing presentation. So, you never done a listing presentation? There you go. Your online presence is your first listing presentation. Make sure it reflects the level of clients you want to attract. See you guys tomorrow for lesson number 3 or your system number 2.